Okay, so here we go. Our second creative project, you're going to have a choice. So you can either pick, and design and develop a media board app, similar to what you did with the farm animals app, and I'll give you some ideas here in a second. Or you could create some type of animated game app. So like you've done with on like Mole Mash or Pong, and put in here. So it's one of those types of games. So you can play around with that. So you're going to do one or the other. You do not have to do both. Okay. So some of the different ideas and different things that I've seen and that were kind of fun to mess around with if you're going to choose a media board, something that plays, sounds from your favorite songs, maybe people, we saw one with speeches already, that kind of thing. Uh, a name that tune app. So that one's kind of fun. So if you're able to play song and display the answer when you click on it, maybe you guess. So and there's different ways of doing that. An app that's just about your school or club, whatever, your workplace, that's providing different information. Maybe when you click on something or ask a question about where to go, click on an image of something, whatever it might be. And then this last one's kind of a fun one if you get friends to participate. But you click on a picture of your friends, and then you can see their name, hear their voice, something like that. And if they record some special little clips for you. That's kind of a fun one. So just throwing it out there, keep it appropriate, but that's kind of a fun one. And then if you want to go with a game app, so you've seen some of the different game things that we've played around with. Yeah, like for example, Momash and Pong, but some of the pieces that you'll need to make sure that you're using here. So orientation sensor, just to make sure that we're getting that to work. If you have a different way of doing it, and your tablet or phone will work, then that's fine if you want to use a different method. But you're going to have all sorts of different things. If you're have an asteroids type game where you're shooting an asteroid, you're moving across the screen, whatever it might be, you're going to, of course, be using some conditional blocks with this if you get into this one. But make sure you also deal with, the collided and edge piece too, so that that's a big part of game apps. Reaction, right? So and seeing what'll happen. It's really up to you whichever one of these you decide to go with, and then your ideas that you have that might fall under there. But the idea for this one is the last one that you'll be able to do. So I just really wanted to have fun with it. So have fun with this. Develop something that you think is interesting and fun, and that you'll enjoy doing it, and perhaps either playing with it or just messing around with it. So if you have any questions about this, let me know. Otherwise, have fun.